Hi, today I've heard of me HTC Desire 22 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So to do that, we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why open it, and here in the search pool enter Muviz Edge. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then just tap here to open the app and click Draw Our Apps. After that, find somewhere here Muviz Edge application and click once on the switcher. Then just go back again to the application, select AOD and just use, for example, let's use this stamp. Tap here to apply, and now let's lock our smartphone. And we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.